What's up guys, my name is Shri and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today is a good day because I'm going to be talking about the 3 mods that I did to my beautiful looking Interceptor Paycore Express. Oh man, it just goes with the color scheme and a few knickknacks that I did along the way. This bike is just gorgeous in every way, every way. So starting with the first, it seemed a little essential for me to get LED lights for this one, and I just got a NightEYE for that one. I'll leave the link to the product in the description below, and it is just pure awesomeness to drive at night. And the second ones, which I've told you guys about, is these bar end mirrors. They are supremely amazing. They give you the look of that CafeRacer that you always wanted. I mean, that I always wanted. And yeah, no adjustments needed. It's just a 3-bolt job. 1, 2, and 3. And you can install it by yourself in like 20 minutes. And now for the big reveal, I've got the Himalayan handlebars here. These look just awesome on the Interceptor. I think Royal Enfield should have given an option to get your handlebars changed in the first place. Yeah, because it is just amazing. I mean, yeah, some people dig the chrome look, but the black just looks awesome. And it's the same in length. If you compare it, it's the same to the Interceptor one. But yeah, it's slightly low profile, a slightly low profile, because the Interceptor handlebars are slightly up. But yeah, the powder coat just looks awesome in this one. And plus, a very small attention to detail. It says Royal Enfield right here, which looks super cool in my opinion. And speaking about the knickknacks, I've got the fork gaiters on this one, which really protects your front shockers from dirt, debris, and on the road thing, which is pretty handy if you ask me. Then I've got the compact engine guard on this one, which does a really good job in protecting the engine, but it doesn't do anything to your leg. As you could have seen in my previous video, that I did experience a small accident and the bike fell on my foot, and the engine was intact, as you can see, but yeah, my foot is not. Few minor scratches here and there, but I can live with that. Battle scars, can't do anything about it. And nothing happened to this. Even this didn't got bent. It's so sturdily and strongly built that nothing happened to this one. I mean, it fell and nothing happened. And yeah, a few scratches here. I don't know if you guys can see. And that's about it. And yesterday I also got this one. I know it doesn't do anything performance wise or anything wise, but it just goes with the look, you know, white, red, black, and black. And I've got this one as well. And yeah, that's my Interceptor 650 Paycore Express. Looks pretty cool in my opinion. The next change that I would probably do would be to get these levers replaced. I want something black to go with the handlebars now. I don't know, if you guys know something better, please suggest me in the comment section below. That'll really help me out. And if you have any suggestions for me, again, leave in the comment section below and I'll get to it as soon as possible. I hope you guys like this small video of a small walk around of my motorcycle. As always, a like rating is always appreciated. Stay safe, ride safe. I'll see you guys next time. Shri out.